Hey y'all, thanks for stopping in. Uh, this probably be one's a real quickie. It's been kind of cold down here in Florida. Now I know some of y'all up there, in Wisconsin and Milwaukee and the icebox parts of the world or whatever, and it's really cold, cold. Um, -3 and whatnot. I get it. Yeah, I do. For us, when it drops below 50, it gets cold. When it's down in the 30s, it's cold, cold. And this old man's had too many broken bones. I need to protect my back. My back gets cold and I can't do anything. So I've got on a t-shirt and a fleece robe. And then on top of that, this is a throw blanket, I think. I don't know. It's a good heavy, it's nice and warm. But it's just a blanket. So what I did, I took a couple of clamps, bulldog clamps, a couple rubber bands, put between them, and it acts like a shawl. And it keeps my back fairly warm. There's a window right here behind me, and even with a heavy curtain over top of it, I can still feel the difference. So anyway, we're gonna go from there down to here, and I'm gonna do another one of these fidgets, or at least I'm gonna attempt to do another one of these fidgets. It shouldn't be that hard. Um, I've got these split rings, and then I picked up these erasers. Now, the reason I did that was because this one eraser right here looks to me to be the right size. If I can get it out of this plastic. It's in plastic, wrapped in plastic. That's typical over packaging. Might be able to make some out of those too, but they're a little bit smaller. Basically, this is almost the right size that way. It's almost the right size that way, and it's almost identical in size that way. And it's a lot closer to the leather one that I've got, which is over there in my pocket, in my pants pocket, and I'm not going to go over and dig for it. So basically, what I'm going to do, I mean, this is not rocket science, people. I'm going to make a couple slits. Just like that. It might have been a little bit angled. We'll clean that up just a little bit. It ain't going to make that much of a difference. That like that. Now, I took a bit. This is the largest bit that fits in this chuck. So, about like that. About like that. Almost got my finger. I made a little bit of a mess, huh? Let's see now. Get me out 2 of these. This is actually the hardest part of making one of these pass-through ring fidgets. We got to get this one on. And this one on. Like so. Now this one has to go on there like that. And then over that one. Like that. And then it needs to go back through this one. Like that. It's actually fairly easy with these rubbers because they bend a little bit. There you go. That quick and that easy. I don't know what that took me. A couple minutes, maybe, at the most. It ain't perfect if you're one of those A personality types, where everything's got to be perfectly square and whatnot. Well, then take your time, measure it all out, make your holes exactly perfect. I'm not that type. It works. It was quick. I actually like this one. I actually like all the ones that I've done. This one's actually broken in quite a bit now and moves very easily. The leather one has a totally different tactile feel to it. This one is even different. Again, I kind of like the sharp corners on it. All the other ones I've rounded off. So, anyway, there you go, people. A very quick and easy, inexpensive ring fidget. Ring pass-through fidget toy, I guess. Anyway, yeah. Thank you all. I appreciate you stopping in. When I looked earlier, I do believe I'm up to 54 subscribers. It's a little odd because I was at 52, I dropped down to 51, I dropped down to 50, then I was back to 51, and then this morning I was back up to 54. So, I'll take it. I don't care. So, hey to all you new ones, I really appreciate you subscribing. Hang around. You never know what I'm going to be doing. I really do appreciate y'all. Push that like button. Push the dislike button. Leave me a comment. I try to answer all my comments. Or try to answer all your comments with my own comment. And I hope to see y'all next time. Until then, bye-bye.